20W Universal Fast Charger Travel Adaptee. Type-C GaN Tech port for charging Android charger. Samsung Original. Input voltage AC 100 volt to 40 volt. Output voltage is DC 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, 16 volt, 20 volt. And max output power is 20 W. Complete safety protection. OVP, OTP, OLP, OCP. Other. Overcharging. Overcurrent. Overvoltage. Output. 9V3A, 12V5A, 15V4A, 20V3A, 16V4A. And certified by all. FCC, CE, SAA, PSE. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.